Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview CDDZ Kids Rectangular Swimming Pool Deluxe. Use the rectangular frame baby swimming pool to avoid the high temperature in summer and help keep the children cool. Easy to assemble, ready for water within 30 minutes. Sturdy, durable steel frame support, and powder sprayed to improve rust resistance and aesthetics. The convenient drainage plug is connected to the garden hose, so you can drain the water from the swimming pool or house area. Product benefits: easy to build without any auxiliary tools. Super tough material for the polymer PVC. Reinforced edge of the pipe the pool make the pool more stable. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.